Hey, my name's Kelly. I'm with Hivehouse Digital. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified when we post new content. 2023 is a long time away. Wait, what do you mean it's 2022? Wasn't it just 2020? Shouldn't we have hoverboards by now? So while it sounds like 2023 is far off in the future, it's actually a lot closer than you think. And with it comes big changes to Google Analytics. And a disappointing lack of hoverboards. Introduced in 2005, Google Analytics was the first Google Web Analytics service for tracking and reporting your website traffic. Now, over the years, Google has regularly updated the platform, but its current version, Universal Analytics, was introduced in 2013. Once July 1st, 2023 rolls around, Universal Analytics will stop processing hits, and Google Analytics 4 will be activated. It's important to note that you'll be able to access your Universal Analytics data for the next 6 months though. But Google really recommends that you export this data in UA so you don't lose it. You can export your data through these 3 methods: individual reports, Google Analytics Reporting API, and exports to BigQuery. Once GA4 is installed, both Universal Analytics and GA4 will appear as properties in your website or app. Now, you can go between the 2 properties to find and analyze data before Google sunsets Universal Analytics. However, due to the differences in how the data is tracked, only GA4 will contain data from the time that it's installed. We all surf the internet across multiple platforms, from the browsers on our laptops to different apps on our phone. GA4 is built to track that user journey without relying on invasive cookie data, and provides businesses with a more comprehensive user story that shape their products and services. Universal Analytics, on the other hand, was actually originally designed to track desktop web sessions with cookie data. Data was based on hits like page views, events, and e-commerce hits. You also unfortunately had to set up advanced tracking for events like button clicks or video plays. With GA4, everything is event-based, including page views, and you don't need to set up the advanced tracking for many common events. GA4 also features machine learning capabilities that generate predictive insights and create new audiences based on likelihood of churn or purchase. Machine learning will also be able to help fill in the gaps with missing data, and it'll create unique user journeys. Just like with Universal Analytics, and unlike our country's crippling lack of hoverboards, GA4 will continuously evolve. Look, I get it. Preparing for the future is always frightening. Some of us procrastinate, and some of us become doomsday preppers. When it comes to GA4, Google really recommends foregoing any procrastination and installing it as soon as possible. The sooner you install, the sooner you'll have more historical data that aligns with GA4. Plus, you'll give yourself a head start on becoming more familiar and comfortable with the new UI. Also, a lot of terms are going to be changing during this transition. For example, goals are now replaced with conversions, and instead of bounce rate, Google will be focused more on engagement rate. Give yourself some time to get used to the new terminology. If you're the overly cautious prepper type, you can run the 2 platforms alongside each other to see what's changed and hold on to your Universal Analytics data in its natural habitat. That is, until July 1st, 2023. Look, if you're stressing about the upcoming change, or just Google Analytics in general, feel free to call or message us. We will be here, awaiting the inevitable change the future and Google always seems to bring.